that alarm clock bird is back. He's like set on waking everybody up. Like this meat. How did Venus get all the way over here? Mosquitoes, these are a-holes. Might even be half the damn problem in the first place. I'm just saying what people say when they're tired of being treated like dookie sticks. Okay? That's really all it boils down to. Kitty. This is a different kitty. Different kitty entirely. What up, kitty? Look like you were up to no good. Is this kitty up to no good, y'all? Looks healthy, though. Painted. You wanted to make sure somebody was following you? Did you now? What'd y'all just do back there? Because I just saw you come over. That's your girl? Is that your girl? You don't know? She's like, my other dude can't find out because I know that she does have a man already. So they're just gonna pretend like, I don't know what they're gonna pretend. What are y'all finna pretend? Oh, that was a bird call that just called you? It's funny to watch them communicate. I will say that. Is that orange cat, I wonder, under my house? Because, like, where is that orange one going? Under their house? Like, she's like, you coming? What the heck? Birds are popping because it is the hour of Aries. Fudge, dude.